Yeah, so welcome back to my AutoCAD class. My name remains Dumsen. So today we'll be taking a class on how to convert DWG files, that's AutoCAD files, to PDF files. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we'll come to plot. We'll come to plot here. Plots can be found at the top left corner of our AutoCAD software. So we'll see it's plots. It looks like a printer. So once we click on plot, the first thing we need to come to is under printer and plot. We'll click on this. If we'll be printing it, if we'll be sending it to a printer, if we have a printer connected to our laptop or our desktop, we'll select the name of the printer and send it to it. But whereas in the case whereby we need to convert DWG to PDF file, we just click on DWG to PDF file. So after clicking on that, the next thing we need to do is our paper size. So just in case we need to print to A3 or whatnot, this is where we'll make those changes. But for me, I'm using A4. I'm printing on A4, although I love to print with A3, but yeah, it's not even significant because we are converting it to PDF. So in order for us to highlight our plan, because as you can see on this side here, we have the whole thing. So if we want to print out, we can't print out everything at once, so we need to select it one after the other. So what we do is we'll come here, plot area, what to plot. So we'll click on this, we'll go down, we'll click on window. So we'll click on window. For example, I want to print this on a separate paper. I just highlight this. After highlighting, then I just click. So this is it here. As we can see something like a screen, like a mini screen here. So it's showing us what we highlighted there. So after clicking there, I usually like to put it in the center. So as you can see under plot offset origin set to printable area, I always click this center the plot. So once we click on center the plot, it automatically positions what we want to print out in the center. So after doing that, you can either select it on portrait or landscaping. So to be sure of what you want, we have a preview button here, which is located at the left bottom corner. So we'll click on preview. Preview is going to show us how it's going to look like before it's being printed instead. So this is how it's going to look like in landscape. So we just, once we're done, if we're satisfied with what we are seeing, we just escape that. And if you want to see it on landscape, you just go to drawing orientation, then click on landscape, then preview it and see how it looks like. So it looks something like this. This is how it looks like on landscape. Most architects prefer to print out their drawings on landscape because it gives it that landscape view. So it depends on what you're okay with. And once you're done, just press once you're done previewing, you press escape. It will bring you back to this table here. So once you're done and everything is set and we're good, we just click on OK. So it brings us here. I usually like to save my documents to my files to my document. So you can see it here, save in. You can easily click, then select wherever you want to save your files to, or I prefer to save mine in documents. Then you can see file name .pdf, that's converted out already, file tab PDF. So all we just need to do is press save. So yeah, and there we have it, we're done. So the same process I did here, we'll do the same thing single-handedly for every single one of them. So the same way I highlighted my roof is the same way I'll highlight my this and that and that and this. So yeah, this is how it's going to show up by the time we want to print it out. So it's going to pop up something like this, and there we have it. Once we have it printed, this is how it's going to pop out on A4. So there we have it. Thank you for coming to my AutoCAD class. Do have a nice day. I remain Johnson.